Hello friends, welcome back to Restart UPSC. So far we have completed 2023 CSAT paper solutions, right? And in this video we'll be starting with 2024 CSAT question paper, right? We'll solve few questions in this video. Now let's go to the question. What is the least possible number of cuts required to cut a cube into 64 identical pieces? Okay. What is 64? 4 cube, right? This, let's take a larger cube and we need to cut this cube such that we need to get 4 into 4 into 4 cubes. That means 64 identical pieces. Right? That means we need to get 4 blocks, right? That means how many cuttings we need? See, 1, 2, 3 on this face. Right? If we cut horizontal, it will cut this way also, right? So 1, 2, 3 cuttings. Next, see vertically 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Now see here in this face we got cubes. See here. Here there are no cubes. That means we need to cut again 3. 1, 2, 3. 8 elements, 7, 8. Means we need 9 cuttings. Correct? Let's go to the next question. In the expression 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, star is chosen from plus, minus, and multiplication, each at most 2 times. Most 2 times. That means not more than 2 times, right? What is the smallest non-negative value of the expression? See, what is the smallest non-negative value? 0, right? So let's check whether this equation comes to 0 when we substitute these functions. Okay, let's check. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So I'll place into here. Okay. Here negative, here positive. See what will be the resultant? 5 minus 4 minus 3 plus 2, right? See, this is 7 and this is 7. It will become 7 minus 7, 0. Right? So, is asking smallest non-negative value, right? Answer is 0. Okay. Let's go to the next question. A certain number of men can complete a piece of work in 6k days. Here k is the natural number. By what percentage should the number of men be increased so that work can be completed in 5k days? Okay, we know that men are inversely proportional to work, like that means M1 W1 is equals to M2 W2. Alright, let be M1. What is number of days, number of work? 5 men, right? It is 6k. Now we have to increase the men. That increased men will be M2. Okay. Now how many days the work should be completed? 5k. This k gets cancelled. M2 by M1 is equals to 6 by 5. That means 1.2, right? So M2 will be 1.2 times of M1. He's asking how much percentage the men should be increased. See here. This is 0.2. Right? How much percentage increase means what? M2 minus M1 by M1 into 100. What is M2 value? 1.2 times of M1. So 1.2 minus M by 1. If you take M1 as common here, into 100. M1 M1 gets cancelled. This 0.2 into 100. It will be 20%. Okay. Let's go to the next question. XYZ can complete a piece of work individually in 6 hours. So X completes earliest 8 hours and 8 hours respectively. However, only one person at a time can work in each hour, and nobody can work for 2 consecutive hours. 2 consecutive hours. All are engaged to finish the work. All are engaged. Okay. What is the minimum amount of time that they will take to finish the work? See here, he's asking for minimum amount of time, right? So we need to take the fastest person for maximum hours to work. See, that means X is taking least time, right? So we can do maximum amount of work. So I'll take X here, and YZ values are same. So X plus Y. Next, again I'll take X because he's telling nobody can work for 2 consecutive hours, right? So I can't place X and X at a time. So I've taken Y in the middle. Now again I'm placing X. Now I'll take Z. Okay. Again I'll take X. Complete the work very fast. Now I'll take Y because X and Y values are same, right? So that means what? X and Y 1 by 6 plus 8. What is the LCM? 24, right? Like 4 times, 2 times. So 7 by 24. See here. For 2 hours of time, 7 by 24 parts of work is completed. Right? For 4 hours, that means X and Z, same values, no? Y is taking 8 hours, Z is also taking 8 hours. That means how much time, how much work will be completed? 7 by 4, 7 by 24 plus 7 by 24. That means 14 by 24 parts is what completed. Now for 6 hours, same 14 by 24 plus 7 by 24. That is 21 by 24. After 6 hours, how much work is left? 24 minus 21 by 24. That means 3 by 24 equals 1 by 8. 1 by 8 part of work is completed. Now see, X plus Y plus X plus Z plus X, XY. This will be what? 21 by 24th part. Next will come. Next also we'll take X1, because he's completing the maximum amount of work in less time. What is per hour work of X? 1 by 6 into how much time it take? Complete the remaining work. It is 1 by 8. So X is equals to what? X is equals to 6 by 8. Right? 6 by 8 hours. We'll convert it to minutes. 60. Right? 2, 3, 4, 4, 15, 45 minutes. This is 6 hours plus 45 minutes. So 6 hours, 45 minutes. Right? Let's look at the next question. How many consecutive zeros are there at the end of the integer obtained in the product? You know the number of zeros will be what? Minimum of power of 2 power of 5. Right? Now, let's calculate powers of 5 first, because most of the cases power of 5 only will be less. See here in the values: 1 square, 2 power 4, 3 power 6, 4 power 8. That means powers are double the number. How many 5s will be there? 5 power 10. Next 10 power 20. Next 15 power 30. Next 20 power 40. Last 25 power 50. How many 5s are there? See here. This is 5 power 10 means 10 5s. 10 can be written back. The 10 can be written back as 2 into 5 now. That means how many? 5 power 20 plus 20. Here 3 into 5 now. That means 5 power 30. So 30 powers. See here 4 into 5. That means 5 power 40. So 40. The 25 can be written as 5 square now. So 5 square power 50. It means 100. Number of 5 will be. That means power value is what? 10 plus 20, 30. 30 plus 30, 60. 60 plus 40, 100. 100 plus 100, 200. Okay. Let's check whether the power of 2 are more than 200 or less than 200. Okay. Now powers of 2. See here 2 power 4. Next will be what? 4 power 8. Right. Next 6 power 12. Right. Next 8 power 16. 10 power 20. 12 power 24. Next 14 power 28. Next 16 power 32. 18 power 36. Next 20 power 40. Let's see how many 2's are there in this. So 2 power 4 means 4 powers, right? 4 can be written as 2 square. So how many powers will be there? 16. So 6 can be written as 2 into 3. So 2 power 12. Here it is 2 cube, right? 2 cube power 16. So 16 into 3. It is 48. This is 10. 2 into 5, right? So 2 power 20. Here this is 12. That means 4 into 3. 4 can be written as 2 square. So 2 square power 24. That means 48. Here 2 into 7. No? That means 28. Here see 16. 16 is 2 power 4. Right? 2 power 4 whole power 32. How many powers? 4 times of 32, right? That means 4 times 32 is 120. See, already I think the value has crossed 200. Here it's this is 96, right? 96 and 120. So we know number of powers of 2 and powers of 4. What is the value? Minimum value. This is greater than 200 and this is 200. So answer is 200. Okay. Let's look at the next question. And this. Okay. Let's the question. On 1st January 2023, a person saved 1 rupee. Okay. On 1st, he saved 1 rupee. On 2nd January 2023, he saved 2 rupees more than the previous year. That means 1 plus 2 rupees, right? That means 3 rupees. Okay. On 3rd January, he saved 2 rupees more than on the previous day. That means 3rd January, 2 rupees more than 3 rupees, right? That means 5 rupees. And so on. At the end of which day was his total savings a perfect square as well as perfect cube? Perfect square as well as perfect cube. Okay. So on 4th, he saved 7 rupees. On 5th, he will save 9 rupees. On 6th, he will save 11 rupees. On 7th, he will save 13 rupees. Let's add these values. How many are we getting? 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. 9 plus 7, 16. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 plus 7, 36. 36 plus 13, 49. Okay. So far we have got 49 rupees. On 8th, we have to add 15 rupees, 2 rupees more than the previous. That means how many total savings what? 49 rupees plus 15. It is 64. See here, 64 is 8 square and as well as 4 cube. That means both perfect square and perfect cube. On which day he is saving this amount? On 8th January. Right? Answer is B. Let's do the question. We also have the right. 15th question. 222 power 333 plus 333 power 222 is divisible by which of the following numbers? See, this is 2 power some any number, right? It will be always even. Now see, this is 3. 3 power anything will be odd only. So even plus odd will be what? Odd only. So the resultant number is not divisible by 2. See here, there is only one option, right? Simply without solving also you can get the answer. Now let's check other numbers as well. See here, 222. That means 2 plus 2 plus 2 will be 6. That means this 222 is divisible by 3, right? And this is power of triple 3, power of triple 2. That means any power of multiple 3 is also multiple of 3, right? Now see here, this is 3 plus 3 plus 2, that means 9. So triple 3 is also multiple of 3, and this is power of triple 3. Triple 3 is multiple of 3 means any power of multiple of 3 is also multiple of 3. So entirely this whole number will be divisible by 3. Okay. Now see here, similarly, see here, triple 2 can be written as 2 times of triple 1, right? Triple 3, 3 times of triple 1, right? Similarly, we have taken for 3. This is also, it also works for triple 1. That means this is multiple of triple 1, and any power of multiple of triple 1 is divisible by triple 1 as well. This is also multiple of triple 1, right? So any power of multiple of triple 1 will be a multiple of triple 1 only. That means see here, 3 square is 9. 9 is multiple of 3. 9 cube, 9 power 4 is also multiple of 3, right? So here, that means this entire value is also multiple of triple 1. See, triple 1 is what? 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is 3. See, if we get triple 1 by 3, 2 times 3 is 9 by 21, 7. 20. So that means 3 and 37, triple 1, right? This entire number is divisible by 3, 37 and triple 1, but not 2. Okay, answer is B. Without solving also, you can do this question very simply, because the entire number is odd number and it is not divisible by 2. So simply answer is B. Okay, let's look at the 16th question. What percentage of water must be mixed with honey so as to gain 20% by selling the mixture at the cost price of honey? Let's take, earlier honey was 100 ml and its price is 10 rupees. So what is the cost price? 100 into 10, that means 1000 rupees, right? Now what I am doing, I am adding certain amount of water in them. So what should be the gain? 20% gain. See, this is the cost price, right? Gain is 20%. That means what? Selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100, right? No, we know the cost price value, we'll find selling price value. See, 20% gain, we need to calculate selling price value, 1000 into 100, right? It will be 200 selling price minus 1000. What is the selling price value? 1200 rupees, right? Is telling what? At the cost price of honey, right? Selling price will be what? Quantity into price, right? That means 1200 rupees is equals to quantity after mixing water into 10 rupees, the same cost of honey. That means what is the quantity which we have sold? 120 ml. See, earlier honey was 100 ml before mixing water. After mixing, we are getting 120 ml. That means how much value we have mixed? 20 ml, right? 20 ml of water in 100 ml of honey. So what is the percentage? Into 100, 100 cancel, 20%. Okay, let's go to the 17th question. What is the rightmost digit preceding the zeros in the value of 30 power? So, rightmost digit means what? Is asking units place, right, of 3 power. So 30 power 30 can be written as 3 power 30 into 10 power 30, right? This will be all zeros. Okay. Now let's discard this value. Is asking what? Rightmost digit preceding zeros. That means unit place of 3 power 30, right? We know cyclicity of 30 is 4. So when 30 is divided by 4, what is the remainder? 4 7 are 20. So the remainder will be 3 square. Right? Its values. Right? The rightmost digit preceding the zeros will be 9. Okay. Now let's go to the 18th question. 421 and 427 when divided by same number leave the same remainder 1. That means what? 420 and 426 are exactly divisible by the number. Right? How many numbers can be used as the divisor in order to get the same remainder 1? That means you need to take the common factors of 420 and 426. Then only there will be the divisors of the numbers so that we get the remainder 1. Now let's find what are the factors of 420 and 427. 420 means what? 42 into 10. 42 can be written as 6 into 7. And 10 can be written as 2 into 5. 6 can be written as 2 into 3 into 5. I'll write this way. 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 7, 42. Next 10, right? So 2 into 5. Ultimately, the equivalent will be what? 2 square into 3 into 5 into 7, right? 426 means what? See here. It is multiple of 6, right? See here. 420. Next, we are adding just 6 to that. That means 7 is 42. We are getting 6 here. 1 is 6. So this can be written as 6 into 71. That is 2 into 3 into 71. 71 is a prime number. He's asking what? How many number can be used as dividers? What are the common factors between 420 and 426? 2 is one common factor. 3 is one common factor. Right? 2, 3, and also 2 into 3, 6. So there are 3 divisors. See here. HCF of these two numbers will be the highest common factor. So we can't go beyond that. What is the HCF of these two numbers? 420 divided by 426. What is that? 420. Remainder is 6. Now we'll divide this. 420. 71. 420. So highest common factor is 6. So we can't go beyond 6. See? So 2 is one multiple, 3 is one multiple, and 6 is one multiple. So there are only 3 divisors. By dividing 421 and 427, we'll get remainder as 1. See the 19th question. This is also HCF application only, but the answer is different. See, a can X contains 399 liters of petrol and a can Y contains 532 liters of diesel. They are to be bottled in bottles of equal size so that whole of petrol and diesel would be separately bottled. That means we need to take the can size such that it should be equally filling petrol and diesel. Okay, nothing should be left over. That means what? He's asking for common factors between 399 and 532 only, right? Same application of the before question. The bottle capacity in terms of liters is an integer. It should be an integer. How many different bottle sizes are possible? That means see, common factors only is asking. Right? You see. 399 can be written as what? 3 into 133, right? You know, in the 19th table, 133 is 7 times of 19. So 399 can be written as 3 into 7 into 19. Please friends, try to by heart 1 to 30 squares values, 1 to 20 cube values, and also tables. Okay. By 32, this is simply 4 times of 133. Okay, that means it can be written as 7 into 19. Yes. See here. What are the common factors in this question? 7 and 19, right? So what will be the different size of bottles? One is 7 liter bottle, 19 liters bottle, and 7 into 19, 130 liter of bottle. Alright? But the answer is not 3. The answer is 4. Because there is one other factor which is common to 399 and 530. That is 1. I made this mistake in exam. I have marked 3, but answer is 4. That's why I am telling this separately. Okay. That's why I wanted to stress on this. See here, he's asking the divisor value. It should get remainder 1. Here also common factor is 1, right? 420 will be what? 1 into 420, right? But see, if you divide anything by 1, the remainder will be 0, right? So in this case, we are not taking 1. But in this case, we have to take 1 because 1 is also a common factor between these two. So we can take 4 different size bottles, which is 1 liter, 7 liter, 19 liter, and 133 liters. Okay. So the answer will be what? The answer will be 4. Okay, friends, be careful. Let's go to the 20th question. This question will be the last question for this video. Answer the following statements in respect of the sum s is equals to x, y, z, where x plus y plus z, where x, y, z are distinct prime numbers, each less than 10. What are the prime numbers which are less than 10? 2, 3, 5, and 7. No. What is asking? The unit digit of s can be 0, 9, and 5. Okay, see, what are, let's check the combinations possible. 1 is 2, 3, 5, and can shuffle this value, right? That means 5, 3, 2, like that. But ultimately sum will be the same. Okay, so this is one combination. Next, 2, 5, 7, right? This is one combination. Okay, next, 3, 5, 7. Okay. This is one combination. Okay, so what is the sum? 2 plus 3 plus 5, 10 plus units place can be 0. Here, 2 plus 5, 7, 7 plus 7, 14. Okay, see here, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 7, 15. Right? Yes, can be. Unit place can be 5. Right? To get unit place as 9, you need to get the sum value either 9 or 19. See, this is the maximum possible value of the sum, right? 357. So 19 is not possible. And this is the least possible value of the sum. That is 10. So even sum 9 is also not possible. So answer will be what? 2 is present in 3 options. The answer will be C. Okay, friends, we have completed 20 questions, right? In the next video, we will be solving the remaining questions. Okay, friends, thank you. Let's meet in the next video.